In this video, we will look at what Copilot can do in Microsoft Excel. As I don't have a Copilot subscription for Microsoft 365, I'm going to use Microsoft's footage of Copilot in Microsoft Excel. Be more analytical. You can use natural language to have Copilot add new columns and create data to analyze based on what you want. Here, you can ask, assuming every 1,000 in marketing spend increases units sold by 1%. Add a column that calculates the revenue based on a 10% increase in marketing expenses. Copilot gives you a suggestion of how to do what you've asked and the formula. You have the option to ask Copilot to explain the formula, which is really helpful to learn new formulas and exactly what Copilot's trying to do. Click Insert Column. Copilot creates a new column and applies the suggested formula, which will save you so much time. You don't have to figure out how to do this, just explain what you want it to do. Make sweeping changes. You can ask Copilot to make changes based on described criteria. Here, you can ask, add an icon if the profit margin is less than 0. Copilot then adds the icon to the profit margin column, and you get a summary of what changes Copilot made in the Copilot pane. Identify key insights. Insights are an invaluable aspect of your data. Here, you can type, show me insights. Here, Copilot gives you a pivot chart, sales by product, which isn't that useful. But you can then click Add All Insights to Grid. This creates your new Insights worksheet and adds a number of insights tiles based on the data in your spreadsheet. This is a really nice way of automatically visualizing your data and looking at insights. Make engaging charts. You can use Copilot to specify the exact charts you want to make in your spreadsheet. Here, you can say, create a line chart that shows profit margin for each product category by year. Copilot will show you a preview of the charts you described in the prompt. If you are happy with it, click Add to a new sheet. This is such a quick way to build out a chart using natural language that will speed up your work a lot if you often need to create a lot of charts in your spreadsheets. So there you have it. 4 key Copilot features in Excel. I hope you found this video useful. If you learned something new, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.